Fran, my love, we've come a long way and finally we are here. Today is the start of our life's greatest adventure.
My love, we are finally here. I've always imagined our wedding to be special. This has definitely exceeded my expectations. Ever since I realized I love you on that drizzly December day back in high school, my heart knew you are the one I want to spend my life with.
Are we ready to do this?
Yes!
Welcome to Squamish. K, Fran, here we are at your wedding. How does that feel?
Amazing.
It's epic. You are the love of my life, my favorite person in the whole world, and the center of my universe.
Loudest thing in my head, and I'd fall in over again. Love you, silver and gold, a billion or broke. I know I won't let you go. High places or low, sun blazing or cold. I know I won't let you go.
I feel like I've been writing this vow in my heart ever since I realized there is forever in us.
I was waiting through all the memories, never was pretending, hope it's never ending. 'Cause I've got tattoos of your name now written on my brain. I'll never be the same.
And I want to put you both on the spot for a minute. And I want you to tell each other one thing that you want to remember about this moment 30 years from now.
You are my life.
It's a dream come true. Today, I'm marrying my first love, my best friend, my soulmate, my rock, and my hope.
All those years, days, and hours with you, but time will never be enough to spend loving you. Only forever and again.
Your rings say that even in your uniqueness, you have chosen to be bound together. Let these rings also be a sign that love has substance as well as soul, a present as well as a past, and that despite its occasional sorrows, love is a circle of happiness, wonder, and delight.
With this ring, we forge a new path.
On our adventure together.
I will always love you.
I give you my hand to hold, and I give you my life for you to keep always and forever. I love you.
So hum this tune and hold on tight. I'll be with you in the morning light. Close your eyes and listen. Close your eyes and listen. Oh, what a beautiful sound.
As UK and you, Fran, have consented to legal wedlock, I pronounce you as married. You may seal your vows with a kiss.
Know that this right here, your hand, your love, is all that I need. You are more than enough. My heart calls out your name, and wherever you are is my home. I love you forever and always.